Ogai maro dimra la mono dinga biowal ogai maranak Kenya mata Karua kaka jalupne yero mabiro. Mano biro seche machuok kende kama duondo buche to koro no chorne gi kinde nyaka tarik 16 dwe manyien mondo mine jogo malaro kombe ker governor mondo koro walane to jolup gi gin mage kata chwal mudego e duolo bara ibi. So kaini go wacho ni Karua negi lony mamalo ahinya kendo koro nitie kod gimoro moro madwarore e bedo jalup ker e sirkal mabiro.
Martha has been a seasoned jurist and a leader in many national parastatals. Martha has been a frontrunner and disruptor of an unfortunate legacy of impunity and corrupt leadership.
Why Martha? Today, women globally, women under the Commonwealth hat, which I have represented, and also at the UN, and women in Kenya realize that bringing a woman to the front brings a larger discussion, a discussion on social development, but a discussion on values, a discussion on inclusion, a discussion where young people can feel they have someone to identify with and someone who will speak out for them, a discussion where women in the jua kali sector, the informal sector, and women also on the table in business and in classrooms can feel represented.
Na tunakuambia baba, angalia mama yetu. Wewe ni baba yetu, angalia mama yetu. And na ukiangalia mama yetu, we know Kenya will never be the same again.